enough for some government somewhere.
Every year, rich people use art to avoid billions of dollars in taxes in the United States. How? Well, if you're a billionaire looking to minimize your tax burden, prepare for some life hacks. And if you're anyone else, prepare to be astonished and possibly nauseated by what happens when tax deductions are combined with the government's failure to regulate a market. We all know art is a commercial product, just like toothbrushes, cars, or art assignment t-shirts. And most